Now we want to get into our second topic regarding domestic violence. Two horrific cases unfolding just days apart in Surprise. Now this is body cam video right here from the first, which began when a man broke into his ex's family's home holding her and their 7-month-old baby hostage. After the woman escaped, the father, Todd Marchetti, barricaded himself inside the home near Cotton Lane and Cactus Road. Police say he then shot the baby and set the house on fire before dying by suicide. Miraculously, baby Jackson survived. Now, in the second case, also happening in Surprise, a father killed his 2 children and himself in a murder-suicide. The mom of the 2 kids dropped her 7-year-old son and 6-year-old daughter off with her dad, Brock Matter, on a Friday. The kids were with their father because the parents were going through a divorce. Well, when she got a call from the kids' school the next week saying that they were absent, she called police. The 3 bodies were found inside the father's home near Greenway Road and Bullard Avenue. They were all shot in the head. Investigators say Matter was being treated for mental health issues and that officers have had contact with him before. Kurt, this is such a devastating, tragic story. Both of them, I want to take a step back and just in general address domestic violence cases, because these are some of the most difficult, heart-wrenching cases. And many times, we hear people getting what's called an order of protection, right? You hear that a lot. What does this do, and really, is it enough?
I mean, it's hard to say. Is it enough? I mean, what it actually is, Tram, is a piece of paper. It's not a shield. It's not going to protect somebody from somebody that's breaking into a house or taking a child. But it is a start, and it is a legal start that says, hey, this person can't be around me because a court has found that they've committed other acts of what would be considered domestic violence. So it's a start, and hopefully it's the end.
Right. Well, and I was going to say, you'd like it for it to be at the end, but sadly, it's a feeble starting point. What other legal protections or options do people have that they should know about?
Well, there's a lot of options. Legally, the law, I think we said earlier, is reactive. It usually operates after something happens, so it's tough to prevent things. But there are a lot of services out there, and a person that's going through this, what they need is friends, and they need help.
Yeah.
They need people to help support them, get them to these services, to these different organizations that can help people move out, help them get their own bank account, help them file lawsuits, help them find lawyers for family law or custody issues. So the law's involved, but it's not the answer.
Right.
It's some of these other things that help the most.
Yeah, that huge support from family and friends, and even strangers from organizations. All right, Kurt, thank you. If you or someone you know needs support out there, there is help. You can call the National Domestic Violence Hotline anytime. It's 1-800-799-SAFE. You can also chat with someone online at thehotline.org, or you can text the word START to 88788.